All right, friends. Well, here it is. It just arrived. My Purium transformation package. And this is what I'm going to be doing for 10 days. It's a 10-day detox. So you probably won't be seeing any, the major grub time eating videos in about 10 days. But you know what? Health's important, right? So let me show you what's in this box. A few little pamphlets, instructions, let you know how good it works. What else we got here? More stuff, more paperwork to read up on. Let's see here. Let's take this out. This is the Power Shake. Power Shake, all the greens. I'll be taking, I believe it's 3 times a day. And in there, let's see, let's get this thing open. All right, kind of tough. We'll get there. Like I said, guys, 10 days, man, it's gonna be rough. I'm used to eating good foods. All right, we got the Biomedic. We got the Super Cleanse. We got the Can't Beat This. That's the pre-workout. And then we got the Super Amino 23s. So we doing all this. Comes with what we got here. Looks like let's probably some more powder. Let's get this package opened. Thank you, dear, for that. My lovely assistant. Oh, more Power Shake, okay, because we're going to be drinking a lot of shakes. Me and the wife are splitting this. 30-day program, but we're doing the 10 days detox. There's a measuring tape. You got to take your measurements before and after. It's fun to get this open. There you go. Okay, looks like this is the the cherry. Oh, this is for the what you take at the nighttime to help you sleep good and relax and rest after your hard day of eating veggies and all that. There you have it, guys. Unboxing of Purium. Hopefully it goes good. Like I said, it's 3 shakes, and the only snacks you could have are veggies and fruits. Only certain fruits, but it tells you everything in the instructions. So hopefully this goes good. Like I said, I'll be back. It's actually, yeah, I'll be back 10 days. See if I feel better. I believe I will. And I hope I will. So just stick to my channel for updates, and I will see you guys on my next video. Grub Time, boys, out.